Hello students of grade 11. Today we are having a speaking lesson from module 8. The objectives of our lesson are 1. To communicate correctly in 3 different situations. 2. To describe a graph correctly. 3. To express agreement and reach a decision. Our lesson today is divided into 3 main parts. The first one is expressing agreement. The second one is describing a graph. And the third one is reaching a decision. Dear students, in order to follow me, please open your student book, page number 116. Now, let's start with how to describe a graph. We can describe a graph by using these phrases. As we can see from the graph and complete, according to the graph and complete, as the graph shows, the incomplete, the majority of incomplete, the minority of incomplete. Of course, in describing a graph, we can use comparison as saying these are more than those, or those are less than these. My dear students, now we are going to have an example that has been done for you. In describing a graph, we have to have a quick look at the graph. In a quick look at the graph, we can recognize that there are 3 main parts in a graph. The first one is the title that tells us what the graph is about. And this example is about age distribution of population of a certain country or town. The second main part is the numbers that indicate the number of people or population. And the last part is the age groups of people. Here we go. Let's use some sentences to describe the current graph. The graph shows the age distribution of population in a certain city, let's call it Hightown. The majority of population is between the age of 41 to 64, while the minority of population is between the age of 19 to 40. The number of people aged 65 and more are more than those aged 18 and less. Now let's come to expressing agreement. How can we express agreement? We can express agreement using the following phrases. I suppose so. Fair enough. Perhaps so, but up to a point, yes. I wonder if that's true. Now let's come to how to express reaching a decision. We can express reaching a decision by using these phrases. I don't fully agree, but let's go with your choice. I think we should compromise. Let's try and find a middle way. I think we can find common ground. Dear, now it's time to test yourself. Here is a question. Read well to find the right answer. Read and think well. Have you got the answer? Good. It's letter B. Up to the point, yes. Well done. Here is another one. Read it well. Read the answers. Think of the right answer. Have you got the right answer? Well done. That's it. Letter B. I think we should compromise. Good job. My dear students, you have to know that you should log on your LMS Corner for daily activities and weekly and monthly assessment. It's very important for you to follow up your teachers and log on to your LMS Corner. Thank you for attention. Wishing you all the best.